Welcome to my 19th month update. Let me try to catch you guys up on everything that's been happening this past month. So I kind of feel like I'm changing my mind on a lot of things, or I don't know, I'm bored. It might be that I'm bored. I need to do something else to my hair. You just, like, have you ever felt the need to just do something? Like, everything you're doing is right, but you feel like you want to do something different. You want to change some stuff up with your routine and stuff. That's kind of where I am right now. I'm bored. I would do the same thing to my hair all the time. I'm tired of doing the same thing over and over. So I just want to change things up a little bit. I want to spice things up. So I did try sweet potatoes in my hair, and you all should know that was from Whitney Natural 85. I didn't do her same recipe or anything. I just had sweet potatoes that I had left over from cooking them, and I cut the ends off because I don't like to eat the ends of potatoes. I'm weird. I just don't like to eat the ends of potatoes. So I usually just cut those off, and the leftover potato that was in the ends, I squeezed out and mixed with my deep conditioner. And y'all, let me tell y'all, my hair was so freaking soft from that. My hair has never felt that soft from anything that I've ever put in my hair ever in my life, and I am not exaggerating. So I couldn't decide on which potatoes I wanted to buy at the store because I really wasn't buying them for hair. I was buying them to eat. So I had a nice amount of sweet potato left to put in my deep conditioner. And again, I put that all over my hair, and it was just amazing. Like, my hair was amazingly soft, and it lasted in softness for a long time, and I was very shocked. The only thing, I'm not rushing to do it again because there was residue left over. It was like every time I would touch my hair or anything, there would be like a powdery residue on my shirt, and it was coming from my hair. And that didn't stop until I washed my hair again the next week and got it all out. But my hair was still soft from the sweet potatoes, but like I said, that residue was in my hair. Until I find a better way to use the sweet potatoes in my hair without getting that residue, I'm gonna hold off on that. Also, you guys, I've been contemplating on ditching my shampoo. Now, I'm not saying I'll never use shampoo again. I'm just trying things out. I'm thinking about just solely using Bentonite clay to cleanse my hair. And you guys know I cleanse my hair once a week, so every week I'll just be using the Bentonite clay instead of shampoo. I don't know how that's gonna work out. Again, I'm just testing it. Like, I haven't even done it yet. Today is actually wash day for me, so I'm about to start washing my hair now, so it's gonna start today. So yeah, I feel like at least a month. I'm at least gonna do it for a full month and go from there. I really want to try it longer than that, but for sure I'm going to try it for at least a month. On my next update, I'll let you guys know what's happening with that. While we're on the subject of trying out new things, I just bought some Chebe Powder. I don't know why, I just bought it honestly on a whim. I'm gonna find out how to incorporate it where it's good for me, because the first video I saw on it, from the research I did, she was using it wrong. I bought it after watching the first video, and I know that was so stupid. I don't know why I did it. So after I purchased it, I ended up doing more research on it or whatever, and it's not really meant to use in a deep conditioner or as a deep conditioner. It's more of something to like nourish and moisturize your hair as a protective style. Like, it's something that you leave in your hair and you just keep on reapplying it every 3 to 5 days and whatnot, and you just keep your hair in a protective style. Now, there are a few people that are putting it in their hair and rinsing it out. Again, that's not the traditional way to use it, but I do have to still research it. Like I said, it might still be some benefits of putting it in deep conditioners and stuff and still rinsing it out that same day and still having benefits. So, I don't know. I don't know. I'm definitely going to find out, and I'm definitely going to try it all of the different ways that I can, because I did buy it and I'm going to use it up. As you guys know, all I do is protective style anyway, so I feel like if there's something I can put on my hair while I'm protective styling, why not? Especially since I bought it and I'm going to use it up. Now, I don't know if I'm going to continue to buy it, but again, since I already just went on a whim and bought it, I'm going to use it. Okay, you guys, so that's enough talking. Let's get on to this lint check.
Dear Black Queens, this is a message.
Alright, you guys, that just about wraps up everything as always. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in another one. Bye.